Hey guys, my name is Neely. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the face behind the classroom journey, just sharing my teaching life all on YouTube. So I hope that you plan to stick around, hit that subscribe button if this is something that interests you, and I hope that I can inspire you in some way. Today is Friday, so this is the second to last Friday of school. A week from today, we will actually have the last day of school, which is just crazy to me that we are already here at this point. So today is actually pajama day, so I have my little slippers to put on when I get to school, but I actually have to run to Food Line first, so I wasn't going to wear them in there. I'm actually about to go get my kids a dessert, a cake or cupcakes or something, because I actually promised them that on Wednesday that I would bring it today, and I forgot, so I've got to go run and do that now before school, because trust me, your kids will remember anything that you say or promise to them, and they will hold you accountable. So I'm gonna go and head there now so I can pick up something for them, get to school, and I have a few things to do this morning, so I will take you guys along with me. So I went in for like cupcakes or cake or something. I didn't know what I was gonna get, and then I saw this and it said 2021 grad. Well, my kids are graduating next Tuesday, so I was like, this is perfect. We will just celebrate today and celebrate our graduation today with